What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Random Ramble with TWR. Oh, back out here in the reptile room, chilling out till like 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm an early riser. I usually get up about 5 and just kind of do my thing and chill. So I'm out here now, just chilling. Eating some candy. This is a problem. This is a problem for me. I'll tell you why this is a problem for me because I have a sweet addiction. It's something I've always dealt with. I've always denied it, but the truth of it is, I've got a sweet addiction, and but I have recently quit another addiction that I have that is worse than sweets, and that is smoking cigarettes. So it's been over a month since I quit cigarettes, and it has been it was easier. It was weird. It was easy in the beginning. Now that I'm like in this past the month period, I'm definitely feeling like my cravings are higher. Like I definitely want more sugars. Maybe things have just been super stressful a little bit lately, so my cravings have been like my normal, you know, ways of dealing with my stress and hard times is smoking cigarettes, like lots of cigarettes. So to not be smoking, I don't I don't have that anymore. So to hit a hard, stressful period in life and then not have cigarettes to fall back on, I guess maybe that's causing my cravings to be heightened. Like maybe when I quit smoking, it was like during a pretty chill, relaxed period for me, so it was easy to quit and it was no big deal. But now that things got a little bit wild for me here a little bit, it became stress. So maybe that's what it is. But either way, now that I quit smoking cigarettes, I started eating sugar a lot more. I just never stop craving sweets or something to eat. Usually sweets, but if I'm not craving sweets, I'm craving something to be shoving in my mouth. I think that might just be the hand-mouth fixation thing with the whole smoking aspect of it all. But I am glad I quit. I'm glad I quit. I feel healthier. I feel better. My lungs are better. I breathe better. I can run around with the kids that I work with a lot better. Don't get as winded as quickly. And it saves up seven. You know how much time I spent out smoking, like stepping out to smoke. Lots of time. And so now I've got like all this extra time on my hands, and I don't know what to do with it a lot of times, but I also do. Like now, I have a lot more time to like invest things towards my animals and do things with my animals that I might be, restrained on time otherwise because I spend so much time just smoking. It's amazing how many hours of our lives we actually spend smoking when you're a smoker. But I'm feeling good. I'm like I don't even know, maybe a week past a month or something like that. But yep. Mm, mm. These are good. These are good, guys. They're delicious. They're so good. The Lindor. Lindor. It's too early in the morning to eat chocolates. I don't know what I'm doing, but here it is. Oh, guys. So, what's happening today? What's happening today? What do we have happening? It's Sunday. We didn't do much yesterday, but today I think we're gonna go to the house, my other house, and get some animals. We're gonna go pick up some animals, some more animals. I think we're gonna get Beetlejuice, who's in the tub. We're gonna get Sarabi, and we're gonna probably do a few back and forth trips because I think her car can handle like one of each of my smaller but still large enclosures. So most likely we're gonna get Luna over here, possibly Maleficent, um, and possibly the Zuko and Cogsworth's enclosure that's in my bed. Those are all things we think we can like finagle into the car one by one. So we'll probably be doing that. I need to contact a friend of mine, see if I can borrow their van to move some of the bigger stuff. If not, then I'll have to push off moving more of the bigger stuff until I can actually afford to get a U-Haul. That's not. It wasn't the budget, but it's not the budget. Things happen. Life, guys, life just doesn't stop. Doesn't stop. But yes. Anyway, so that's my plan today. Not smoking cigarettes, and getting a few animals over. Being up really early in the morning eating chocolates. So yeah, I don't really have much more to say on that. Just that's my day and that's my problem. That's my addiction with chocolates and cigarettes. Definitely craving the cigarettes more, therefore replacing those cravings with cigarettes with sweets and chocolates. It's not good for me either way, but I think a few pounds gained from some chocolate is a lot better than several years being taken off of one's life from smoking. I'm just increasing my time here with my snakes and my other animals. It's worth it. It's worth it, and I feel it in my body. I feel better. And I'm gonna get these animals in today, and it's gonna be a great day. So once they're in, I'll do another video, non-vlog video about that, and let y'all know what's up. So you all take care of yourselves, and you know, take care of yourselves. Take care of you. I'm trying to think about a different outro for these vlogs. I don't want to say the same thing that I would say for my normal TWR like videos. So I'm trying to think about a different kind of intro, a different outro for the vlogs. But my mind is reeling. It's never stopping. It's never stopping, which is why I decided to start doing these vlogs to begin with. And I'm rambling. So wrapping up. You guys take care. Love yourselves. Take care. I love you, reptiles. I'll just stick with that for now. I'm out, you guys.